Bekigendererwa kyaki kya gavumenti eno okulaba nga n'abaavu bakola ki.
We have Dr. Kenyera Alfred, who is the principal veterinary officer in Kitgum. He signed 10,077,000. We have Kilama Christopher Okoth, who is the Kitgum district planner. He signed 7 million. We have Nyero Paul, who is the commercial officer Kitgum. He signed 9,420,700 shillings. We have Mr. Tom Morris, who signed 9,040,000. He is the senior commercial officer Kitgum. We have Mr. Ogweng Michael, the district probation and welfare officer Kitgum. He signed 4,446,000. We have Ochiara Dennis, Kitgum district agricultural officer, who signed 5,555,000. We have Mr. Onek Philip, who signed 2,200,000. Mr. Onek Philip is a driver of LC5 Kitgum, Mr. Roy Christopher Ball. And I'm reliably informed that Mr. Onek Philip took 2 million to Mr. Roy Christopher Ball, and Roy gave him 200,000. We have Komakej Samuel, who signed 1,529,000. Komakej Samuel is a driver of cow, Kitgum. We have Juliet Akelo, who is the officer attendant in the office of the head of department production. She signed 1,200,000. And we have Ogal Gaudencio, who is the senior community development officer Kitgum, who signed 755,000. And then we have this money that is sent to people's phone in the form of e-cash. And the money is up to the tune of 200 million. And I am reliably informed that this money is shared among the big fish in the district. So RDC Kitgum is aware of it. LC5 and the district executive, they received the money. Cow Kitgum received the money. CFO Kitgum received. Principal Assistant Secretary also received the money. Head of department.
Kati bomunadiramu abakulembeze mutandika okuwagikamu abantu bammwe ne muteeka muno mugenda kulya ekikolimo kuba ssente zino tezaziridde mmwe.
Bakansala oba oli wa NUP oba oli wa NRM oba oli waki mugezeeko okuba nga muyina amazima mukole emirimu gyammwe mu kanso mu bulamu bwayo.